Train station Nizhyn is the central entrance gate to this city. So, small park near the railway station, a lot of benches, so when you wait your train, especially in summertime, instead of sitting in there inside the building of the station itself, you can wait, you can sit here outside and look to the being past trains, and there are a lot of such ones. There are two platforms. If your train will arrive or will depart of second platform, you can use the bridge, but it's difficult when you have some big bags, for example, so you can pass here via this pass. But be careful, because in normal situation it's closed, and when some train will come or will depart from another platform, special staff woman lady she comes, opens the gate, of course she sees no trains around and she allows passengers to go in and out and then she closes the gate again. This is just general information. There are a lot of bad flowers, and here there is a platform for local trains which go and arrives to from Kiev. Yes. Here is the building, clean, no bad smell, so not so big, rather small building, but there are all the facilities which you need, some small kiosks, luggage storage cells, yeah, and even there are cash desks where you can buy tickets if you have problem with internet here. And I'm not sure whether these workers in the cash desk they can speak English, I'm not sure. There is platform, nearby square, railway station square, minibuses, very cheap price, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and you are in the center of Nizhyn, and a lot of taxis also. It's to the center of the city, it's around maybe 3 kilometers, so the price will be very cheap. So railway station Nizhyn city.